many years, the existence of two Tredegar ironworks, one in Wales, another in North America, remained unexplained. Any association between them seemingly forgotten or even ignored on both sides of the Atlantic.
Those men changed American history.
Their history was once sort of dictated by these facilities.
Without the workers from Tredegar, Wales, you would not have the biggest ironworks in the South.
The influence of Tredegar ironworkers on the United States iron industry was massive, absolutely massive.
Some reason, however slight, had to exist for an important US works having been named Tredegar, rare even in Wales, where it applies only to a 17th century gentry mansion near the sea and two industrial towns on its upland estate. An identically named works at Richmond, Virginia, USA, albeit pronounced Tredegar, could have been no more than coincidence, in that many US settlements bear British names. However, the discovery of an 1838 newspaper obituary to a Rhys Davies not only established a historic connection between these ironworks 3,000 transatlantic miles apart, but helped reveal how each had affected national and world development.
Rhys Davies and James Hunter were unique characters.
The impact that Rhys Davies and Hunter had setting up what became the Tredegar Ironworks. Without their work, it simply wouldn't have happened.
Without the Welshmen coming here and helping to build the first rolling mills on the site, Tredegar Ironworks would not have been able to operate and function. It was their skilled workmen that not only allowed for the creation of the first rolling mill, but also allowed for the continued production level.
It's an amazing story. Skills developed in Tredegar, Wales shaped the ironworks in America.
It had enormous impact upon American history. This one small town and a group of men from Tredegar, Wales had enormous impact upon American development and history.
Tredegar, Wales and Tredegar, Richmond had indeed been associated. This is their story.